there's food on the floor, there's carts everywhere, there's blood on the door. I just wanna buy some snacks and get back home, but these ghouls are trying to eat my bones. When I finally get home, I turn on the TV. The undead on the evening news is all I can see. So I pop in a movie and I try to relax. Listen to me while I tell you some facts. The zombie apocalypse is messing up my week. The internet is always down, can't update the Twitter stream. The zombie apocalypse, it wouldn't be so bad if these zombies hadn't bitten my mom and dad. I decapitated them and now they're buried in bed. I called my friend to see if he could come by my place. By the time he reached my door, he was missing his face. I feel kinda bad that I did not let him in, but without his lips he still had a grin. The zombie apocalypse is messing up my week. It's hard to watch the Daily Show over all the cries and screams. The zombie apocalypse, I'd rather fight a shark. I read in a book that you can punch them in the eye, but sharks are my problem, yeah, and zombies are. I've never seen so many girls outside without their clothes on. Normally I think that's awesome, but it's actually a turn off, 'cause I'm not into necrophilia, that's a fact. Zombies moving slow, I feel like Jackie Joyner, cursed like a popular kid in school, and everybody wants a piece of me, but they can't, 'cause I like my pieces intact.